What's up? This is Julio Rampisi doing some Grand Theft Auto 4. This is special evening. So the clock is, I don't know what, it was something like 6:45 p.m. Yeah, so special evening is about me playing for like, I don't know, maybe 5-6 hours. No more till it goes nighttime and I play. I don't know what this is about. So yeah, let's just do Grand Theft Auto 4. Our first game is Grand Theft Auto 4. Let's see. This. Yo, fuck you. This is a rare one I found. I think it was in the video also. Hey, what the fuck are you doing? You asshole. I'm gonna fucking rape your mom. That's how you do it. Oh, wait. Ah! Oh, that's the car in here. Jumped in front of a car. I'm like, yay! And, oh wait, give me that bike, you asshole. We play around in those games that we play. The special evening is not that common for me. And police, you can fuck yourself, because we're going to the network store. Because I'm awesome. And I like this bike. Hill Fury. Oh, that's a nice name also. So yeah, let's go here. There's gonna be a lot of parts. Drinking Coke, so I stay up. The Celebinator. What? You've already come and done this post. Comment from close for this post, comment from close, yeah. That's why you can't comment. So, oh mama. Give me that oh mama sign, motherfucker. Air guitar death. Software shock and hair from small. Okay. Who gives a shit? So, eating out. Fuck those. Money. Okay. Singing. Okay. Kids credit. Yay, I want kids credit. Give me about kids credit. So let's go outside. What's over here? What's it saying? No, I don't want to aim you. Fuck you. Let's go outside. It's already dark. Yeah. It's dark out here too. It's 6:48 p.m. Because I'm in boom. I'm in Finland. It's a nice country, but yeah, clock is like 5-6 hours behind America. That's why I speak English so bad. Awesome information. I mean, it's an awesome country. I mean, I'm going to move back to America still, but yeah. Oh no! Oh my god, that was a close one. So let's drive on the railway. Wait, I don't want to lose this bike, so you know, I have to get off somewhere. Where should I get off? I don't know. Damn it. Damn me. Oh, bitch. Wait, I can't get off anymore. Right, let me go. But yes, I can. Yes, I can. Right here. No, not here yet. We're not here yet. I think this is the place. I should get off. Yes, 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 yes. Thank you for letting me off. Wait, don't go back ever again, you fucking bitch. Fuck you, driver! What the fuck, gangster? You war, bitches! Fuck your head! Fucking gang war, assholes! Fuck you! Fuck you! Fucking rape you, mom. Money! Fuck you, asshole! Bow, bow, bow. Okay. What the fuck do you think you're doing? I'm pissed off because you ruined my bike, you motherfucker. Fuck you too. You're an asshole. Okay. What the fuck? There's so many of them. Oh shit, I gotta heal. Wait. Wait, you assholes. There you go. Okay. There's 4 of them. I beat a whole gang all by myself. Is that even possible? If it is, I'm doing it right now. I'm actually doing it right now. Wow, I beat a whole gang with just me alone. Single team. Okay, fuck you, wanted level. Okay, let's go. On my bike. That was kind of a mess. This guy's just hanging out in his phone. Like, hey, what's up? I'm writing news on the newspaper. Not newspaper. On the blog. I'm a blogger. Yay. There's blood on my bike, so let's clean that. There we go. That's much cleaner. Fuck! I don't want this bike to be like blown up. Oh, there's some medics and policemen. Yep, that's how I roll. You can't face me, because I'm one single man fighting like 15 people. That was there, right? I don't know how much were there, like 15, 16, 20, I guess. That's a little too much. Maybe 15, yeah, that seemed like it. Or 10. Oh, fuck! Asshole. I'm not training my bike into anything except that if I see a banshee. If I see a banshee. What the hell was that? And how did I flew off a bike? I didn't hit anything except that. That does not mean anything. Fuck you, asshole. This is the forest country. Which I mean to... Fuck. Oh, yay! There's a roadway. Yay, fuck you. Let's go. Jump! Jump! Yay, let's jump. Is this the one that... Oh, that's not the one. Yep! Yep! My phone is really broken. That's what my sound is like. Really bad. I mean you can actually hear me, but there's some parts. Fuck you. Fuck you! Yeah, suck my balls. Okay, so enough of swearing. Fuck! And let's go play around on GTA 4. I don't know, GTA 4 seems so fun. I can make a lot of parts on this. But yeah. Again on the trainway. Nope, that's fucked up, so let's go back. Why am I always going on the train way? Train roadway. I mean, that sucks balls. Shit. Fuck you, train. I don't like you anymore. There's more gangsters I fucking don't like. So let's not shoot the driver. Fuck you, people. What? Did you say something to me? Okay, let's repair my bike. There we are. Why isn't there a cheat for this bike? This bike is the best one, I guess. Let's go somewhere inside. Let's go to a strip club. Yay, let's go to a strip club. Yay. What person doesn't go to a strip club? This is not me. I've been there for maybe twice or... No, once. $50 already. I was like low on money. I had something like 400. I haven't done animations. I found a strip club. I was like, yay! And then my money was all run out. I was like, what the fuck? Look at the stats. I was like, money spent on strip club. $50! I mean, how much does it cost? I mean, it didn't even show me the cost of the stripping thingy. So let's go. Strip club. Yay. Okay, so my battery is almost dead. Doesn't actually matter. But, oh no, you need for you to line up. Oh, wait, ATM. Let's check. Okay. Cube! Let's play a game. Where's my Coke? There it is. I actually haven't played this before, so let's go. Okay, what does this do? Okay. You mean I have to... You mean... Yay! Oh, so you need 4. Okay, so I see what's the point of this game already. Okay, red. Blue and red is the next one. Should I take it? No. Wait. Let's go to red. Yay! That's awesome. There it is. Go in the middle. I don't know what I'm doing here. Just me playing random games. Let's quit this. Let's quit the game. So I'm gonna charge my batteries soon. And I'm running out of Coke. Nice. Take a new glass. Coke. Okay, let's take a private dance. Dancers, where the fuck are you? Yeah, I guess. Friday. What's up, dog? Okay, oh wait, there's a dancer. He's drunk. Yes. No, don't leave me here. I want you to private dance with me. Just fuck that. Where can I have a private? Oh, there. What did it say? Okay, so I did not know what I was doing. Maybe I was moving. I just took a single step and I was like, yay, die. The next episode we're going to have a private dance. Thank you guys for watching this episode of Special Evening and bye.